Welcome to Space TV. I'm Richard Elishadi or Tuzeme of Space TV. The Minister of Works, David Umahi, don call out say the east-west road when they construct, so say the contractor they construct rubbish. After federal government don spend 71 billion, say the road not dey up to standard. Say contractors not fit give Nigerians road wey no go last up to 5 years. Say how dem go dey construct road and road dey tear for one side, road dey swell up, dey bend yansh dey go one side. Say never, say dem no go accept am, say make the contractor stop work immediately. E don caution say Nigerians go enjoy every dividends of democracy when we say dem suppose dey enjoy as citizens of Nigeria. If you never watch am when e dey stop the contractor for work, say the work no dey up to standard, say na rubbish dem dey do, observe am right back. Okunya for David Umahi.
Let me pass vote of no confidence on this road. I will not certify anything on the road. The road has completely failed, totally failed, and is totally not acceptable to us. And the worst is that you've seen the places you walked. They are pools of potholes. There's no conscience to go back to put anything on it. This project must have to stop and get reviewed. We have been brainwashed in this country. We have badly been brainwashed. You're building something on the so-called asphalt. You're on site, the road is failing. You are still doing the same thing. Meaning that every 3 years we have to reconstruct our roads. And when Mr. President introduces reinforced concrete road pavement, people are running helter-skelter. This is not acceptable. I'm not here to make the contractors happy, but I'm here to make God happy, to make the president happy, to make Nigerians happy. We must have value for our money.
Welcome back. I be clear, Abi. I dey call on all state governors and commissioners make dem dey monitor the road when they dey do, so that Nigerians go fit dey enjoy the dividends of democracy. Not be saying na go just award contract of road, na no go bother to check. They just do road, they just tie ribbon, na go just carry scissors, na go just cut, say they don commission road. Rain go just fall, go just dey wash road. They never drive road reach how many months. Road don dey tear, don dey bend yansh, you go one side. This one na warning to all contractors, and kudos to David Umahi. Many other commissioners and state governors dey copy this thing when e do, so that Nigerians go get standard road when we say e go fit last up to 5 years or 10 years, so that our money when federal government dey allocate to road no go be waste for this country. Okunya for good road.